State Health Society, National Health Mission Manipur and Directorate of Health Services jointly observed International Week of Deaf People 2025 on the theme No Human Rights Without Sign Language Rights at Heritage Hall of IMA, Manipur State Branch in Imphal today. Director of Directorate of Health Services Manipur, Dr. Chambo Gonmei, Manipur Mission Director of State Health Society, Dr. M. Dinesh, Director of CRCSRE Imphal and Khoibi and Head Mistress of Deaf and Mute School Takil Nongmaithem Kalpana attended the function. Speaking in the program, Dr. Chambo Gonmei emphasized on the need to encourage and motivate deaf and mute persons and to promote an inclusive society for all. Speaking further, Dr. Chambo Gonmei also stressed on the need to bridge the communication gap through sign languages.
International Week of the Deaf promotes the recognition of sign languages as official languages. Now, even the sign languages as distinct official languages and works to create a more inclusive society. Deaf people are often marginalized. Discriminate the stigma and International Week of the Deaf highlights the need for policies that address language accessibility, particularly in schools, workplaces and public services. Moreover, by raising awareness of the challenges facing the deaf community while also celebrating deaf culture, International Week of the Deaf challenges preconceived notions about the abilities of deaf individuals and fosters pride within the deaf community.